Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's tap on the dialer, and here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the recent or contacts. All you have to do is simply tap on this three dot icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. And as you can see here, we've got call blocking and blocklist. Let's tap on it. Here we've got three, let's say, options. Here we've got the switchers, so here we can decide if we want to block the numbers which are not saved in our contact list, or block calls from hidden numbers. Here we've got some quite cool options, so if you'd like to turn it on, just tap on those switchers. Let's tap on the block list, and as you can see, this is actual blacklist. So right now it is obviously empty. If you would like to add the number to it in order to block it, just tap on this plus icon in the right corner. And here you can decide if you want to choose it from the contacts, you can choose it from recent call logs, you can enter a number manually or enter a SIP number. So let me enter a number manually, for example, and here we have to just simply enter it and tap on OK. And as you can see, it immediately appears on our block list. After tapping on it, you can also decide what you want to do with this number. So you can block calls and text messages, you can block only the calls from it, or you can remove it from blacklist. So actually, this is it. This is how to block a number in your ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.